Today's episode is packed with shocking twists, emotional confrontations, and a surprise that could completely change the story. Guru has finally reached Ruhani's house, but his arrival is far from ordinary. As the wedding preparations move forward, emotions are running high, and it seems that a major storm is about to hit everyone's lives. The biggest question is, will Guru stop Ruhani's wedding, or has he already arrived too late? Let's dive into today's exciting update. The upcoming storyline takes a dramatic turn as Guru finds himself unable to accept the reality of Ruhani's marriage. Ever since he learned about the wedding, his world has been turned upside down. The thought of losing Ruhani forever fills him with anger, regret, and helplessness. For the first time, he realizes that walking away from her may have been the biggest mistake of his life. Meanwhile, Ruhani has chosen to stay strong. She has made it clear that her decision will not change. No matter who stands in her way, she is determined to move forward with her wedding. Her confidence leaves everyone speechless, but deep inside, even she cannot completely silence the emotions that still connect her to Guru. Just when everyone believes the wedding preparations will continue peacefully, Guru makes a shocking entrance. He arrives at Ruhani's house with official legal documents that must be completed before the marriage can move ahead. His unexpected appearance surprises the entire family. The happy atmosphere instantly turns tense as everyone wonders what Guru is planning. The silence between Guru and Ruhani speaks louder than words. They stand face to face after everything that has happened between them. Neither is willing to express their true feelings, yet both are clearly affected by the unexpected reunion. Fate seems determined to keep bringing them together. Instead of leaving immediately, Guru remains at the house, creating one emotional moment after another. Every conversation between them is filled with hidden pain, unfinished memories, and feelings they have been trying to ignore for a long time. Viewers can expect emotional scenes mixed with light-hearted arguments that remind everyone why Guru and Ruhani became such a beloved pair. Their playful chemistry slowly returns, even though both continue pretending that nothing has changed. But the peace doesn't last for long. A grand bachelor party is being planned before the wedding celebrations begin. Everyone is excited, unaware that this joyful event will bring an unexpected surprise. A mysterious new man enters the story. His name is Dr. Sunil. Confident, intelligent, and charming, Dr. Sunil immediately catches everyone's attention. His arrival creates curiosity throughout the family, but the biggest impact is on Guru. As Guru watches Dr. Sunil interacting with Ruhani, jealousy begins to take over. Every smile they share feels like another wound to his heart. The fear of losing Ruhani forever becomes stronger than ever before. For the first time, Guru begins to understand that his feelings for Ruhani are far deeper than he ever admitted. At the same time, Ruhani finds herself confused. She wants to focus on her future, yet Guru's constant presence keeps reminding her of the memories they once shared. Every meeting, every conversation, and every emotional glance brings back feelings she thought were long forgotten. The distance between them is shrinking, but misunderstandings continue to build. Dr. Sunil's arrival adds another layer of mystery to the story. Is he destined to become Ruhani's life partner? Or has fate brought him into their lives for an entirely different reason? No one knows the answer yet. What is certain is that his presence will change the relationship between Guru and Ruhani forever. As the wedding day comes closer, emotions continue to rise. Family members remain busy with preparations, but beneath the celebrations, hidden secrets and unresolved feelings threaten to destroy everything. Guru now stands at the biggest crossroads of his life. Will he finally gather the courage to confess his true feelings? Will he fight for the woman he loves before it is too late? Or will he silently watch Ruhani begin a new chapter with someone else? On the other hand, Ruhani must make the most important decision of her life. Will she follow the path she has chosen, or will old emotions pull her back toward Guru once again? The upcoming episodes promise romance, heartbreak, jealousy, emotional reunions, unexpected confrontations, and twists that will keep viewers hooked until the very end. Nothing is certain anymore. One decision could change every relationship. One confession could stop the wedding. And one unexpected moment could completely rewrite everyone's destiny. What do you think will happen next? Will Guru stop Ruhani's wedding? Is Dr. Sunil the new hero of the story, or is he simply a turning point in Guru and Ruhani's relationship? Share your predictions in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to BTV, and press the notification bell so you never miss another exciting serial update.